Drill out the clasp. We got the pieces in here. Take a new top one. There's the inside piece. Go on like so. Through here. Push it in. Take this piece. Put it on there. Okay. And take the base while I'm resting on using a solid plate, weightlifting plate here, and our post for driving. You're gonna space it out and cause that clasp to lock in on itself. So, and it's on there, locked in place. And then you can do the same on the other side, but see, like so. Flip it over. All right, got the second half. Sorry, I know this is kind of far away. Second half in. There it is. On there. For this one, I'm gonna put the backing in the die there. Put your driver post on top here. Sorry, I know you're just watching me. And then, same as you did with the upper. Drive it in place, snap, and fix your snap on your pants. Boom.